I want to go and check out our inside track that we taped last week.
That's right. Now, we mic'd up head coach from Hoover High, Jerry Ralph. This guy has a lot to say from the good things. There's a lot to say from the sidelines. It was a great game. Go ahead and take a listen.
First down! First down! Yeah, we got it. We got it. Dom, ace! Interception. Dom, you gotta go cover. Jeriza, Dom, go to the white side.
You guys finish it.
Jeriza, money. Dom, get the first down. Great drive, guys. Counter, counter. Nice play, Dom. Timeout. Guys, let's get a drive going, okay? It's 1st and 10. Hey, offense, get ready. All right, so we're gonna get the ball in great field position. We have to score this drive.
So we have 4th down.
Come on. Points. Good job. Way to go, Mustafa. That's big.